refrigerator has a one-of-a-kind 3-door format and it offers multiple benefits. Its 3-zone division prevents odor mixing and helps in retention of cooling. When each compartment is opened only when needed, the other zones remain unaffected. The 3-door format also provides a large exclusive bottom drawer, the Active Fresh Zone, where fruits and vegetables are kept fresh for longer. The 6th Sense Active Fresh technology absorbs excess moisture and provides 2 times freshness to your fruits and vegetables. The PROTTON refrigerator comes with a customizable temperature knob for delicacies like berries, cheese, chocolates, and other dairy products. Its microblock technology prevents up to 99% of bacterial growth and adapts to varying internal conditions. And zeolite technology prevents excessive ripening of fruits and vegetables by absorbing ethylene emission from fruits and vegetables, thereby keeping them fresh all day long. Whirlpool offers a 1-year comprehensive warranty on the product and of 10 years on the compressor. The PROTTON World series from Whirlpool comes with a standard brand warranty. It also provides various options for hassle-free payments. The Whirlpool PROTTON World series. Open